Hi guys, welcome back to Python based data science series. In earlier sessions, we had discussions and demonstrations related how we can construct GUI using tkinter. Up till now, we discussed about label, windows, frame, entry, text, button, and the events, how we can process them. In today's session, I'm going to discuss about new GUI component using tkinter that is called as ComboBox. As we all know, ComboBox means collection. If you want to make a set of informations and from that you have to set of data and you have to pick up any one from it, then ComboBox is used. For example, if on your frame you have an option to select a city. So from selected city means like our GUI should give us the options to the user to select any city. You can prompt the user for make an entry of, but it is not user friendly. Rather, when we know that these are the cities available, these are the states available, these are the countries available. So better GUI will provide the options to user to select, and there comes the role of a ComboBox. Let us demonstrate this. In today's example, first of all, I'll give you the demonstration how my applications or how my program will work. If I run this, then I'm having a window which is having label as Axiom Tech Group Private Limited, and it will prompt the user to select the month. And if it is obvious that we know that we have total 12 months, and from that 12 months you have to select any specific month which you want to select. Now the total number of months known to us, so it is better to make a list of that all the months and assign it to the ComboBox. This is called as ComboBox. So user will select any specific month from the ComboBox. Let us, for example, she will select July. Then event will be processed. It will say you choose July. At the same time, in the message box also it will appear that July. It means by this interface we successfully able to collect all the entries in the ComboBox, as well as be able to process the event also on the ComboBox. Let us discuss the coding. As normally we import tkinter library, and here tk as an instance, and I introduce message box also, so I import from tkinter. So windows equal to tk, windows.title equal to ComboBox, and geometry I set as a 500 as a width and 200 as a height. So these things we already discussed. Now here is my function definitions. Whenever I process an event on my ComboBox, this event is going to fire. This function is going to process. We're going to discuss about this later on. First of all, let us discuss how we construct the GUI. I'm having a label by the text on the window. I'm not constructing any frame over here. On the window, I'm having a label by the title Axiom Tech Group Private Limited with the background green and foreground and the font I set over here. After that, I'm having another label which will prompt the user select the month. Right? These are the two labels I'm having, and here comes the role how we can construct the ComboBox. For the construction of ComboBox, declare one variable of a string var type, because you are collecting all the string type of data. So n is a variable I declared as a string var type. Then month chosen means I'm going to collect that all the months, okay, in the month chosen variable. So month chosen equals to tk.combobox. Now ttk.combobox, ttk is referring to tk inter, ComboBox is a control. We are setting it in the windows, width equals to and text variable equals to n. It means that all the entries are of string type, right? N is a string var variable. So then you have to assign the values to the month chosen. So month chosen values equals to that all the values which you want to assign to the ComboBox, I assign it over there by separating by comma, right? We declare a n as a variable for the string var type, right? Month chosen is a combo type of list. So ttk.combobox, now ttk is referring to the tk inter, ComboBox is the control. We are appearing in the windows, width equals to 27 and text variable equals to n. So that all the type of entries, string var type of entries will be assigned over here. So and then we need to assign the values to the month chosen variable, as actually it is a list. So the values will be that, assign all the values over here. After that, month chosen dot grid equals to, now you have to set the like, okay, the appearance over there, column where it has to be placed. So column equals to 1 and row equals to 5. There I am assigning that month chosen. And then month chosen dot current. Now here this current method means whenever you run the applications, what will be the current, it will appear over there. Here list will starts with 0. So if you say the current will be the 6, so July will be the will be by default appear over there. Let us check it. Here it is, by default it will find, you will find July as a selected one. If you want, none has to be selected, okay, it has to be blank appear, then you can set it as a blank. Run this. Here it is, now it is a blank. So you can, if you want any subscripts of a list as a current one, then you can specify over here, or otherwise you can keep it blank. Then now by this a combo box will be appear with this all the items available over there. But now we have to process the event, whichever the data selected, it has to be processed further. So for that reason we are processing a method called as bind, that month chosen dot bind. We need to bind that control with the event, and that event is called as ComboBox selected. So month chosen dot bind ComboBox selected, and to process this event we are defining a function called as choose entry. So whenever user select any month, then this binded event will be called ComboBox selected event will be called, and it will process the function called as choose entry. So the control goes to the choose entry. Here I select a argument called as entry, and then here you are printing, okay, whenever the the event will be processed, okay, that binded event will process. So here you are printing on the command prompt month chosen dot get. Now month chosen dot get will give you the result what the data you selected. So it will be appear on the command prompt. At the same time, if you want to assign to the label, then label text, or else if you want to print to the message box what data user selected, then message box, I'm using message box dot show info equal to title equals to selected month, and message equals to the message you want to display, that is month chosen dot get. Means we created the combo box with the items, then we process the grid, the appearance, the place where the combo box has to appear. Grid will give you the row and column position. At the same time, current will give you the which will be the current item need to be appear on the combo box, and this bind will bind that component combo box with the event, right? So whenever any event processed by the user, this choose entry function, okay, so user defined functions will be processed, and here whatever month you will select, it will print on the command prompt. At the same time, it will appear in the message box also, right? So month chosen dot get will it will get the data of selected item from the combo box. Let us test it again. Here it is. So with the title my combo, a window is appear. Now here is a label, Axiom Tech Guru Private Limited, with the background color and Times New Roman as a font, and then select any month is a label, and here is the combo box having all the items combined over there. And if you select any month, then event will be processed, because message like your month chosen is binded with the combo selected over here. So once you select any month, the event will be processed, and that event will be processed by the choose entry function, and this function define will select the entry, and then it will print you on the command prompt as well as the message box also. So we successfully able to generate the combo box, add the entries, and process the event over there. Now after that, whatever selected city, whatever selected state, country, or whichever data you are combined in the combo box, you can process further, and then you can hold it in the, you can assign to the label, you can assign to the entry, and you can process further to the for further process over there. So this is about the combo box. If you want to collect the data and process it, then combo box is useful. Hope you enjoy this session. Thank you guys.